Okay guys, it is time for a new update here on the Bitcoin price because we already talked about it in yesterday's video. We were expecting the Bitcoin price to not be able to hold our horizontal VPVR range here at the $23,800 up to $24,200 level. We saw the drop to the downside. We are making nice profits with our short position now, in total $5,000 in a profit. And the question is it time to actually scale up this short position? Does it make sense to just leave it open now, or should we take some profits and actually expect the Bitcoin price to reverse now very soon? For that, we are going to take a look at some different indicators today, at the different time frames on the Bitcoin charts, but also at the Bitcoin dominance, because there is some interesting stuff appearing there as well. Besides that, guys, as always, I would really appreciate it if you could smash up a like here on today's video. Normally every single video of mine reaches the 1000 thumbs up. My last video almost reached it, guys, so maybe we can reach it today. I would really appreciate it. And besides that, don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. And for sure, leave a comment down below, guys. This pushes the YouTube algorithm. And in the top comment, guys, I'm going to pin a comment at the very top of the comment section. And in this comment, you will find my new daily crypto market update YouTube channel. On that channel, besides this one, I'm going to upload general content. What altcoins am I investing in? What am I looking out for at the Ethereum merge? Am I buying Ethereum, selling it, whatever? Guys, everything, just basic crypto related. Check out my new channel. The link is at the very top of the comment section. And the first video is already online, talking about the Ethereum merge happening approximately on the 15th of September next month. So guys, check that out. But now let's just jump right into the charts, because as we talked about in our last video, we were expecting this horizontal, that this horizontal 4-hourly VPVR support here won't hold, and we will actually correct all the way down to the second big volume. That was what we were talking about in the yesterday's video. This is what exactly happened. And now we are actually forming a potentially bullish reversal pattern right in that support zone, which is an amazing sign for Bitcoin, but this may mean that we need to close our short position very soon. The thing is that I'm right now not all too scared. Yes, we saw a breakout to the upside. Yes, we are right now seeing even a successful retest. Why are you not closing your short? I am actually going to take some profits as soon as we break the old high point to the upside. But we need to keep in mind that this, ascending triangle doesn't really have any bullish breakout targets. I mean, the bullish breakout target for this ascending triangle is only, let me remove the VPVR, we don't need it right now, it's only the $23,700 level. So it's the exact same price level that we were talking about yesterday that we need to break to the downsides to see this crash that now also happened. But I can already tell you guys, if we are reaching this price level, me personally, right now how everything is looking, I am expecting that the price will get rejected here. Because looking at the bigger time frames, going ahead and zooming here out to the 4-hourly first of all, we can see, guys, even if this 4-hourly candle pumps a little bit, we are just retesting here perfectly. I mean, let me just draw it here into the chart. We are just perfectly retesting horizontal resistance, right? So nothing really exciting here. This is not really bullish. The only bullish scenario would be when we break above the $23,800 level, which is unlikely since we have very strong resistance above us, but we also don't have any bullish breakout target to the upside to reach the price level, while we still have a little bit more downside for this rising wedge. This rising wedge was the reason why we said this is a local top here. We are going short, right? And the price target is around the $22,800 level. So I am expecting Bitcoin to fall a little bit lower within the next couple of days first. And that's why I'm not going out of the short now. But as I told you, 23,700, I'm closing the short. I'm not risking going into a loss. I definitely will take a few hundred, at least a few hundred, if not a few $1,000s of profit out of this short position, no matter what happens. Because on the weekly time frame, guys, again, this weekly candle definitely isn't an all too bullish one, especially if we are falling lower within the next 3 days. So that's why I really think that that we should just remain careful. We don't need to rush in any position right now, just because, I mean, as I said, we're just bouncing off horizontal VPVR support now, as we expected that price goes to that support at least. So now our price target is met. We have almost reached the bearish breakdown target of our rising wedge. So yes, as soon as we see a confirmed breakout out of this small ascending triangle that I just showed you on the 1 hourly, break above the old high point, yes, I'm taking some profits. But this is not the case yet, so let's wait and see. I think the 4-hourly candle now closing in 55 minutes will also have a huge impact on what the price does. If we see now a final sell-off and this 4-hourly candle closes below the $23,400 level, I mean, lower prices are definitely to be expected from Bitcoin. Now looking here at the Bitcoin dominance, I mean, this is something very interesting that is going on in my opinion right now. Because first of all, I'm just realizing that my face cam is slowly drifting to the downside for some reason. I'm not sure what's happening here. Okay, now it's straight again. I need to buy a new thing. I think it's, I don't know, doesn't matter. Bitcoin dominance, what is happening here? I mean, we are at the point where we normally always need to expect a reversal for Bitcoin, right? And what we are seeing right now is that on the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, I showed you this in the last couple of videos, the Ethereum Bitcoin chart looks to top out. The Bitcoin dominance is looking to bottom out. Always in the past, signs that the bear market now starts actually. So this would mean that the bear market hasn't even started yet. But we need to keep in mind, market becomes bigger and bigger. We don't need to see a massive drop to the 7 or a massive pump to the 70% level, right, on the Bitcoin dominance. This is absolutely unrealistic that this will happen probably ever again in the crypto market, just because we have more and more altcoins, we have more and more successful altcoin projects that are here to stay for the long run. So for sure, it's expected that over the long run of Bitcoin, that this Bitcoin dominance with each bigger market cycle drops to the downside. So in the next couple of weeks, if we are seeing a break below the 39% level, guys, let's continue the bull run. I'm very, very sure that this will happen then. But this is not the case yet. The likelihood of us getting rejected there is still way higher. And if we're getting rejected here and we are seeing a pump in the Bitcoin dominance, that means altcoins are dropping. This means people are getting out of their altcoins to go into Bitcoin. That's why the Bitcoin dominance is rising, because less money is flowing out of crypto in general than actually flowing out of the altcoins, right? Some is always stopping and staying in Bitcoin. That's why it's correcting less. And that's why the Bitcoin dominance in this case rises then, right? The percent of the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies added together, how much percent does Bitcoin have of that? And then this is going up, right? So this is just something I'm keeping an eye on. We are right now going into the range where we would say, okay, this in the past was a bottom and or a top, and we need to expect more downside for Bitcoin to come. So till this breaks, I'm expecting that since we are in this lower range. So guys, I hope you now enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash up a like. Don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell. You are prepared for any scenario now, guys. Ascending triangle, keep an eye on that. Open, close your short. 23,700. Easy opportunity if we're getting a clean rejection there to maybe scale up the short position once again and keep the stop loss in a profit. And besides that, 23,700, we break it to the upside, I close my short, and if we break the ascending triangle to the downside and we leave this very, very big 4-hourly VPVR support behind us, then I will actually also scale up my short position once again. But for now, guys, check out the video description now. Check out my new channel, guys. There is a very interesting video about the current market situation, about Ethereum, about crypto scams, all kinds of stuff, guys. Check out the first daily crypto update with me, Mo. It's at the top of the comment section. Link there. Go there, subscribe to that new channel. You don't want to miss it. Just check out the new content. I promise you, you will like it. But now, guys, we're going to see us in the next one. Till then, bye.